guys, how's it going? We have an amazing question to answer for you today. But before we get into that, I am Renata, intuitive nutrition coach, here to empower women with their health, specifically by using nutrition and also nourishing the body, mind, and spirit overall. And I'm joined with the amazing Coach Mack.
What's up, everyone? I'm Coach Mack. I'm the founding health coach of Running with Bacon, where I help women feel like themselves again via fitness, one small step at a time.
Love it. Okay, so today's question is a really great one to start us off with, and that is, should I start with fitness or food? What do you think, Mac?
So my initial instinct, because I am a fitness lover, is to say fitness. However, I will say it depends more on the goals of the person. So believe it or not, I agree with science. And I think that if you want results fast, specifically weight loss, which is what most people come to us for originally, weight loss happens in the kitchen. All types of really other good stuff happens with fitness, but weight loss itself happens more in the kitchen. But I still start all of my clients with fitness, and I'll tell you why, because it is so much easier. We eat, most of us, 2 to 3 times a day. And so when you're changing eating habits, that means changing stuff all throughout the day. Whereas fitness, go for a walk, do a body weight circuit, just get started, do something, start moving. And it's way easier and gets people confidence and wins and stuff like that way faster than changing nutrition. So it's a mixed bag. I can go both ways, but I'm really looking forward to hearing what you have to say about it.
Okay, so I think that you're really going to enjoy what I'm going to say, because it's like everything that I've learned from you. And that is because it's all about habits. So I like to call Coach Mack the habit queen, because she truly is. Like, she's such a habit junkie, and I've learned so much from her. But the reason why I say that is because ultimately, I think when it comes to fitness or food, it should be whatever is easiest for you. And when things are easy, it's then, of course, easier to develop a different habit. And so maybe it is easier for you to start with a fitness habit first. Like, perhaps you have to walk your kids to school every day and you kind of had been slacking and you've been driving them. Well, maybe you just walk the kids to school, Or do you live by yourself and it's just easier to order meals that have already been prepared? And maybe that's the easiest thing for you, because then you don't need to worry about cooking or grocery shopping, none of that stuff. So whatever is the most easy thing for you to start that healthy journey, I think that's the one to lean into. And we're all different, we're all unique beings. And that's why I really can't say one way or the other, which one is better. It's the one that works for you, the one that is totally the easiest, because I'm all about, after learning from Mac, what's the easiest habit I can start? And knowing that being healthy is not a destination, right? It is that journey every single day. We keep taking steps on this path every single day. And that's why habits are so, so important. So I will preface that by saying that for me, I started with fitness. I've always loved food, but after I had my kids, so as you know, that I have 3 kids, and the last 2 were twins, and I gave myself a lot of time off to just be with them as infants. But when I finally started to kind of, come back into the health regimen that I had previously, it started with fitness. And the reason why was because what I recognized was that movement or any kind of exercise is really the physical manifestation of a mental muscle. It's all about getting your mind right. But you can do that with fitness, or you can do that with nutrition, whatever works the best for you. It's just seeing yourself making those reps, or seeing yourself eating really well and feeling well as well. That's so important to your particular health and wellness journey.
I could not agree more. So on this first question, we are in total agreement, because ultimately it comes down to behavior change. People want to say, what's the diet plan I should be on? Give me a workout to do all of those things. But that's kind of just the surface level thing. And so if you can actually work your habits and change your behaviors, your day-to-day stuff that adds up really big over time, that's what's going to ultimately make the difference. So it really doesn't matter if you start with food or fitness. Like Renata said, it's whatever is easiest for you. And I have to say that my heart just did a little flutter when you said that you started yours with fitness, because it's something that I come back to time and time again. Even if I'm feeling, like bloated, or if I've gained some weight, or I want to lose some weight, or, build muscle, whatever it is, most of my stuff starts with fitness, because that's, again, the one where I see the wins and I can build my confidence back up, and it trickles down into every other area. So typically, if I'm able to get a good workout in that day, I usually eat better, and I usually sleep better, and I'm usually less stressed. And all of those things turn into better eating habits, because when you sleep better and when you're less stressed, you tend to make better food choices. So again, fitness is in my heart. So that's where I tend to direct people to first. But realistically, results happen from what you're eating in the kitchen, but that can start with fitness or with food. It's really whatever's easier.
Love that. Such a good question.
Yes, thank you so much. So we will be back next time with another question from you about health, fitness, food, all the things. So stay tuned.